So I got all of her rockers apart, got them all clean, inspected all the rollers and the bearings and the shafts, made sure nothing was bent, tweaked, broken, nothing like that. Everything seems good. Going through her push rod adjusters, these are the good ones. Just basically, let me see if I can get it to, yeah, just basically trying to make sure that they're all smooth and uniform and nothing standing out. Here's the bad one. Of course, it's just ripped it to pieces. And then this one's bad. It has a nasty spot right here on the roller deal. Yeah, there you go. I think you can kind of see that there, like right there. So it was going to turn into this one soon. And then these are iffy. They all have one or two little spots on them that I don't like. So these will get thrown in the trailer for spares. These will get thrown away, and then I'm going to replace these with 5 new adjusters. Got our push rods here. What you're going to be looking for is basically just looking right down in the tip there where the adjuster rides, and you just want to see a nice uniform little ring, nothing scarred, nothing too major. To show you the contrast, so like this is the bad one. You can see the damage. You can see how it's just ripped apart, like it's not smooth. So that's a bad one. And then on the other side, the lifter side, you're not going to have much damage on the lifter side unless you do something really crazy, but they pretty much stay engaged all the time. No lash there. As you can see, all the rest of these look good. Might look at that one a little closer, but all the rest of them look good, so I'm just going to clean them up real good, make sure they flow oil, and grab a spare and reassemble. Got the oil pump back on. Going to fill her up with Rotella's Finest here, and then prime the oil pump, make sure it works good, make sure the whole engine gets full of good clean oil, and then probably fire it up and make sure everything works. Yeah, pretty slick little deal here. It's just got a adapter that goes in the end of the oil pump shaft, and you can put a 7/16 socket on it, prime it. No more pulling the distributor and all that stuff like we used to have to do.